Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to start mining Peria Coin using the Mining Pore app, how the daily mining sessions work and how you can unlock additional sessions to maximize your mining rewards. If you're new to the app, don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Starting your Peria Coin mining journey with the Mining Pore app is quick and easy. Once you open the app you'll be taken to the home screen. Here you'll find the Start Mining section. Simply tap on it to open the mining page. On this page you'll see the Start Mining button. Press it to begin a new mining session. After your session starts you'll notice a countdown timer that shows exactly how much time is left before the session ends. Each mining session lasts approximately 2 hours. When the timer reaches 0 you'll need to come back and manually start the next session to continue earning Peria Coin. The Mining Pore app allows you to complete up to 7 mining sessions every day, giving you the opportunity to increase your daily mining rewards. However, not all sessions are available immediately. The first 3 mining sessions are completely free and available to every user. This means you can start earning Peria Coin right away without inviting anyone. The app also offers automatic mining through optional packages that users can choose to purchase if they wish. According to the project, the coin is also listed on Binance. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. I do not encourage anyone to invest, buy any package or purchase anything. Any decision you make is entirely your own choice and responsibility. To unlock the 4th daily mining session you'll need 1 active referral. To unlock the 5th session you'll need 5 active referrals. The 6th session requires 10 active referrals. And finally, to unlock the 7th and last mining session you'll need 25 active referrals. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is an active referral? An active referral is someone who joined the app using your invitation link or referral code and has successfully completed at least 1 mining session. Simply signing up is not enough. They must actually start mining for the referral to become active. To invite friends, open the referral page inside the app. Here you'll find your personal invitation code along with your unique referral link. You can copy the referral link and send it directly to your friends through your favorite messaging apps or social media platforms. If you prefer, you can also use the ready-made sharing card, which includes a QR code. Your friends can simply scan the QR code to access your referral link, making the invitation process even easier. The referral page also provides useful statistics. You can see the total number of people who have joined using your referral link, as well as how many of those users are currently active miners. This helps you monitor your referral growth and track your progress toward unlocking additional mining sessions. You can also access the referral features through the app's main menu. Inside you'll find 3 useful options. The first option is Invite Friends, where you can quickly share your referral link. The second option is My Stats, where you can monitor your referral performance, mining activity and earnings. The third option is My Referrals, where you can view your list of verified referrals as well as any pending referrals that have not yet become active. Here is another useful tip. If you forgot to enter a referral code during registration, don't worry. It may still be possible to add one later. Simply open the Invite Friends page, scroll down until you find the section for entering a referral code, tap on it and enter the code. Once it is accepted, your account will be linked to that referral. As you continue inviting active users and unlocking more daily mining sessions, you'll be able to mine more Peria Coin every day, helping you grow your balance faster over time. That is everything you need to know to get started with mining Peria Coin using the Mining Pore app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates, and let me know your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.